Hi, welcome to lesson 28. 欢迎来到第28课。Today I will introduce three finals, yuan, yue, and yun. These three finals are a combination of yu with three other finals. The first one, yu, an, yuan. Second one, yu, yue. Third one, yun, yuan, yue, yun. For yue, it can be combined with initial ne, le, ji, qi, xi, yi. For yuan and yun, it can only combine with ji, qi, xi, and yi. When these three finals combine with ji, qi, xi, and yi, the dot on the top of the u is going to be removed when you write it. However, the pronunciation still being yu, not u. Please remember this point. The first character I'm going to introduce is the combination of qi and yuan with the second tongue. Qi yuan quan means fist. You see the dot on the top of u is removed, but the pronunciation is yu, not u. Actually, for ji, qi, xi, and yi, there's no combination between them with u. Qi yuan quan means fist. You see there's a sign of hand in here. The next pronunciation is yuan. It's a combination of yi and yuan second tongue. Yuan. So both of these two characters has the same pronunciation and the same meaning in the case of dollar. So for example, we say Chinese yuan, actually it's Chinese dollar. Compared with US dollar, we call in Chinese 美元, it's American dollar. So both these characters has this meaning. Also, the second character has another meaning, means round or circle. You see the structure of this character is actually has a circle. Yuan. Next character is a combination of qi and yue first tongue. Qi yue que means lack, short of, not enough. We have learned this. 少 means less. When you combine these characters together, it means, again, lack, short of. It's an emphasis, means something is not enough. 缺少. Next one is a combination of xi and yue, third tongue. 西月雪. Again, pay attention, there's no dot here, but it's pronounced as yu. 雪, it means snow, it's a noun. When you want to say it's snowing, you add a 下 in front of it. Something is going down or coming down, means 下. When you combine these two together, it's a word. 下雪 means snowing. The snow is going down. 下雪. This is a combination of xi and yue second tongue. 西月学 means study, learn. This pronunciation, although we didn't learn, but I believe you could pronounce it after this learning. It's a combination of xi and yi second tongue. Xi, it means study and practice. You combine these two words with a similar meaning, it again means the same, study. 学习。Next one is a combination of E and Yue with the fourth tone. Yue, it means moon. Yue. And the shape of the character is very similar to the moon. Actually, it developed from oracles in ancient time, exactly the same like Yue, like a moon. Slowly, it changed the shape a little bit until it's totally the same like what we are writing now. And here is a little bit nice handwriting like English cursive. Yue. Next one, a Jun is a combination of Ji and Un. Jun, first tone. It means military, army related stuff. Military and army. Jun. This one we are familiar with. Ren means people, person, or human. Ren. So a person relates to the military or army. It's Jun Ren means soldier. It's a word, soldier. Jun Ren. The last one is a combination of E and Un with second tone. Yun, it means cloud on the sky. Yun. The handwriting is not hard. See, first, second, and then this. Last one is a dot, 4 strokes. Alright, this is all for today. From next video, I will start 2 parallel sets of videos. One is for conversation. The other one is for Chinese character writing. And depending on your interest, you can go to different direction or decide to do both at the same time. I will slowly introduce the daily life conversation and the basic strokes and orders for writing. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my following classes. See you.